Hello, in front of me I've got Madden NFL 25. In this video I'll show you drive pass concept. In the beginning, let's go to medium pass concept in skills trainer. Go to drive pass concept.
Here we go.
The drive pass concept is a progression read concept that features a primary receiver running a drive and another receiver running a dig route going in the same direction. The primary receiver, red route, running the drive route will be your first look on the play. If he is open, the best time to throw will be as soon as he crosses the other side of the center.
Here we go. Stop. Here we go. Here we go. Stop. On one, ready? Stop. Just set.
If both the drive and dig are covered, then look to the throw to the check down option with the running back.
Stop. On one, ready? Stop.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.